to track the historical changes and performance tuning and having experience in RBAC and also CI/CD deployments using GitHub.
Okay. So before starting the interview, I want to make sure you understand those steps. So this is first round, okay? And once you go through with this round, you have 2 rounds. The second round will be a practical round where you will be in office and you will give certain practical scenarios and you will write a query over there. And next last round will be a leadership round. So both the rounds will be done on the same day. So are you fine to come to office in the
Chance to attend.
Hello. I think your screen is freezed, so can you check the bandwidth or anything? Now I can see. But a little bit delay.
My locality there is huge network issue. I try to solve it.
Okay.
But I have to mobile phone.
Let's see, because data analysis actually it is yeah.
You said that I have to attend multiple rounds to offline, right? Or in the office.
Your voice is breaking in between and your video is frozen. Can you check with connecting to other network to see whether it works?
I tried multiple ways, Satish. Hello. Hello. Yes, Satish.
Your screen is frozen. Can you?
I have tried multiple networks.
Yeah, I think this is better. Let's see how it works. Okay. So, no, it is freezing. It is freezing.
Yeah, actually, I'm facing this issue from the last night, Satish. Yeah, I tried to resolve my.
So, if this is the case, we can't continue the interview. So, as you told, you are facing some issues with your locality, right?
Yes,
So, in that case, we want to reschedule this interview. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what I will do is I will inform to the HR team to reschedule this interview so that we can have next week based on your availability. I'll inform to them.
Yeah, I'm immediate trainer. I'm available for any time. No issues.
Okay.
Yeah. This was I didn't expect. They promised to resolve it by 1 o'clock. Still for the response. Sorry for that.
It's okay. But again, I could not able to hear properly. In between something is breaking, but I'll let know HR to reschedule the interview.
Yeah.
No issues.
Yeah, once again, sorry, sir.
Okay.
From my end.
It's okay.
I'm waiting for you.
Thanks for joining. Bye.
Yeah.